Future time expressions. What are future time expressions? Future time expressions are words or phrases we use to talk about something that will happen later. Not now, but in the future. They show when something will happen. Now let's see the future time expressions. The week after next. Before too long. In 2 weeks' time. Next weekend. The day after tomorrow. Later today, 4 years from now. In the near future. Next, we are going to see the structure for these future time expressions. The structures, the first one, subject, will, verb, and future time expressions. The second one, subject, be going to, verb, and future time expressions. Now let's see one by one. The week after next. Examples. We are going to visit my grandparents the week after next. The company will launch its new product the week after next. What does it mean? It means not next week, but the week following it. Next, before too long. You will understand this math problem before too long. I'm sure we'll see each other again before too long. What does it mean? It means very soon, in a short time. Next, in 2 weeks' time. The students will start their holiday in 2 weeks' time. She will begin her new job in 2 weeks' time. What does it mean? After 2 weeks from now. Next weekend. Examples. We are planning to go hiking next weekend. I will help my cousin move to his new house next weekend. What does it mean? It means the weekend after this one, after this week. Next, the day after tomorrow. Examples. We are leaving for Bali the day after tomorrow. The results of the exam will be announced the day after tomorrow. What does it mean? It means 2 days from now, 2 days from today. Next, later today. Examples. I will send you the file later today. We are going to play football later today. What does it mean? At another time, but still today, but not now. 4 years from now. Examples. 4 years from now, she will graduate from university. 4 years from now, many things in the city will look different. What does it mean? It means after 4 years have passed, starting from now. Next is in the near future. Examples. The government plans to build a new hospital in the near future. We hope to travel abroad in the near future. What does it mean? Soon, but not exactly when. Now, let's have a little practice. The concert is scheduled for Saturday next week. We will go. Look at Saturday next week. So, is it later today? Is it next weekend? is it in 2 weeks' time or is it before too long? Because the clue is Saturday next week, so the answer is next weekend. I'm very tired. I think I'll take a short nap. That's the clue, a short nap. So, is it later today? 4 years from now? In the near future? The week after next? Because it's a short nap, so the answer is later today. Impossible to be 4 years from now, or in the future, or the week after next. Don't worry, you will understand this math lesson. You will understand. Don't worry. So that's the clue. Is it in the near future? 4 years from now? The day after tomorrow? Or the week after next? Because you will understand, so we can conclude it's not very long from now. So it is in the near future. Is the best answer. He will celebrate his birthday exactly 2 weeks from now. That's the clue, 2 weeks from now. So, is it before too long? In 2 weeks' time? Later today? Or next weekend? 2 weeks from now, so the answer is in 2 weeks' time. The new president will be elected in the next 4 years. In the next 4 years is our clue. So, is it later today? Before too long? 4 years from now? Or the week after next? It's very clear the answer is 4 years from now. Next, go to your student book, page 68, do exercises 5 to 6, and your workbook, page 66, exercises 1 to 3. That's the end of the lesson.